Hello, I'm back again with another update on my inguinal hernia surgery repair recovery process. And I'm going to try to keep this one a little shorter and more to the point. Uh, at this point, I'm about 67 hours into it. I'm feeling great, doing great. I am still have taken absolutely nothing for pain medication. I'm going completely raw. No pain medication whatsoever, not even anything over the counter, nothing. Completely raw. I was making a joke with my friend Bud that if I had this surgery, let's say in some prison somewhere or something like that, where they're mean to you and they won't give you anything for pain, and they just operate on you and throw you back in your cell and tell you good luck, I'd be shrugging it off right now. I'd have no problem at all. And so maybe I'm a little bit tougher when it comes to surgical pain than I thought I would be. And also maybe my surgeon did a really neat job and didn't tear me up too much inside. And I think maybe it might be a little bit of both. So I'm very fortunate like that. So, anyways, I'm still eating light. I'm so hungry though that I had to eat a little bit more today. So in addition to the usual stuff, several servings of chicken broth and the the whole wheat bread, and I also had myself a pretty good size serving of romaine salad too. So I had a pretty good sized salad along with that, and so uh, I still haven't taken my first dump yet. Still waiting on that. Still taking the stool softeners, and I think it's going to turn out all right. It just hasn't happened yet. And as far as I took my walk again every day now, 3 days in a row. Took a walk, 1.75 miles, and that went fine, and everything feels fine, and the pain feels like it has peaked. Um, the pain was never severe to begin with, and it feels like it has peaked, and it feels like it's definitely not getting any worse. It's getting better. The only rough spot is first waking up in the morning. It's a little rough just getting out of bed, and but it's not that bad at all. It takes a little bit of technique to get myself sat up out of bed, and then I'm fine. Uh, so like I said, I think it's peaked, and it's not. It's only going to improve from here on out. And I slept great too. I sleep really well. I get drowsy. I go to bed. I get into bed. I lay down flat on my back. There's no trouble finding a comfortable position. Like some people have said, they can't seem to find a comfortable position to lay down on. And I just lay down flat on my back, and it feels just fine. And I fall asleep, and I woke up about 6 hours later, and I'm still laying in the exact same position, flat on my back, no tossing and turning or anything like that. So I'm just one lucky bastard for some reason. So, anyways, uh, there isn't really much else to talk about. Like I said, 67 hours into it, and I haven't taken my wound dressing off yet. I guess that's going to come tomorrow. I cleaned myself up a little bit. Uh, just kind of sponge bath and wash my head and face and everything, and uh, just to feel better and everything like that. And then so yeah, everything's going great, and so nothing bad to report. It seems like it's turning out really well for me. So thank you very much for watching, and so long for now. I'll let you know how it's going later on. Thanks. Bye bye.